We have St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Shillong, with 26 athletes. St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, 5 athletes. St. Xavier's School, Puro, 13 athletes. Sunrise Secondary School with 9 athletes. Sinod College Higher Secondary.
Come on, sir! Come on, Rila! Mat Prikchi! Rila, come on! Mat Prikchi! Mat, Rila! Mat Prikchi! Come on, Prikchi! Rila! 1295.
Come on, Bilsram.
15 years. I repeat, second call for discus throw, boys under 18.
Ready, Samame?
Move a little bit. Run.
Beat, Binas, beat! Beat, Binas!
Turn, boy. Run. Run. Come on. Run. Iba Chongkong. Come on!